begins to strain. The Mavericks stand in pouring rain. From north to south, the tensions rise, yet hope still shines in children's eyes. Debates ignite on freedom's call. Divisions build a growing wall. But leaders rise to bridge the gap, to steer us from this looming trap. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's heal the song. Global elites network, we all belong. With courage we can mend the fence and push the world to advance. The Underground Railroad secret trail, Harriet led without fail. With stealth and bravery in her stride, she turned the tide and saved with pride. John Brown stood for what was right, though shadows thicken in the night. His fiery stance a spark anew, a maverick's heart came shining through. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's heal the song. Global elites network, we all belong. With courage we can mend the fence and push the world to advance. The words of Lincoln filled the air. A house divided can't stand there. His leadership a guiding light to navigate the darkest night. Though thunder rolled and clouds were gray, the Mavericks paved a hopeful way. With teamwork, hard work, hand in hand, they strove to heal this troubled land. They didn't let the dream derail, kept pushing forward on the trail. With every step they built a bridge from sea to shining mountain ridge. They penned new laws to set things right, aiming to end the long-term plight. With justice, scales, and open hearts, they gave the nation a fresh start. Innovation lights the path to overcome the aftermath. Adventure calls to every heart, reminding us we're not apart. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's heal the song. Global elites network, we all belong. With courage we can mend the fence and push the world to advance. So let's unite and take a stand with open heart.